Good afternoon, guys. Today is October 28th, 2024, and I'm going to be doing on a trade recap on the trade that I took today. So you can see my executions here, and this was traded live. I trade live every day, in which you can see where I enter, where I put my stop, and where I put my take profits. I also explain the logic behind my trades, why I took them, what's going to keep me in the trade, and why I put my take profits where I put them. Okay, so I took a long today because the model I trade is the turtle soup. So I kind of only trade market reversals. So let's get into that. So coming into 9:30, I had outlined this sell side liquidity and this buy side liquidity, and 9:30 opens and it takes out this sell side liquidity. Therefore, because we have relative equal highs up here, I was bearish and I wanted to see higher prices. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm bearish. It's just if price gives us the right conditions, I'd like to see price go higher. But that's what I mean when I say I'm bearish. It means like the trades that I want to take is for price to go higher. And that's when I would take a trade. Because it's very possible that price kept dumping even when I said I'm bearish because, all right, whatever. Anyways, let's get into, so I wanted to see higher prices. So we get into 9:30 open, and I'm actually gonna delete all this stuff. Okay. I'll take off the execution as well. So 9:30, price drops, and then starts to consolidate in here until the macro. Macro opens 9:50, drops down. The bodies respect the new day opening gap and then comes in here, disrespects it, but all of the bodies are respecting this consequent encroachment. It hits this consequent encroachment, and no body actually closes below consequent encroachment. So for me, that's enough to say that I could take a long. Well, not yet. No, that's enough for me to see price go higher. The next thing I needed was this change in the state of delivery, which is also my entry. So this candle right here changes the state of delivery. Now I entered right here. Well, not at that price point, but have my stop there. And my first take profit should have been here, but I accidentally had it up here. But it should have been here. And so yeah, I entered there. Well, like right over here. But here. I had to take off this magnet. Give me a sec, guys. So yeah, I entered right here and had my stop under here. Price digs beneath it. Well, actually, I want to point out this as well. This is the first fair value gap after 9:30. So yeah, we create the first fair value gap after 9:30. I enter here off the change of state of delivery. Now I want to see price inverse that first fair value gap. Does it right here, and it takes out what that first take profit was, or what it should have been, but I had misplaced it, and you'll see that in the stream. So I was kind of panicking, and price begins to like kind of not really give us much of a range. You see prices kind of just back and forth, like kind of seek and destroy like. And today was not good price action, but still able to get a winning trade off. So let me recap it one more time. Enter off the change of state delivery, stop loss, the rejection block, or no, at this, yeah, the rejection block of this propulsion block here. Price comes here, takes out this take profit, and well, what should have been taken out of that take profit, but I think actually took out the take profit like right over here. I think on this candle, and then I moved my stop to break even, and I got stopped out right over here, right there. So yeah, that was the trade I took today. Put back on the executions. Sorry if this video didn't really explain extremely well what I did. I highly recommend going back into the live stream and watching it live. Like, you can put it on 2x speed because I explained the logic right now. But I'd highly recommend putting on 2x speed, watching the candles form, watching how I'm moving around my take profit and stop loss, because it was very panicked, I can't lie. And today I learned a huge lesson at being more attentive, because I misplaced my take profit by not paying enough attention. So have a great day, and please subscribe and leave a like if you learned something.